Eastin. This cosmetic looks so good. I really like it. It's like edgy and the book is cool. Gives me Necronomicon vibes for some reason. Don't know why. But it's like I really like the black and purple. It's one of my favorite color combinations actually. So with my 2/6 red Eastin, should I check her anime? Yeah, I'll do it later. But it's like I'm gonna be using this team again for the sole reason that I don't want to use a full OC team, which is the other team you could run her on, and I'm not doing that. So it's like I really like Eastin. She's such a cool character. I miss the green Eastin meta. Remember that? The meta that I like that. Mon speed for the ignites. Ooh, that's cool. That's nice. That's good. I like that actually. I really like that. I might give that a shot if I ever decide to, use Mon speed. I'm not gonna, but what? Okay. But look at it. Okay. Leave my Eastin alone. She didn't do anything. So he can't really do anything to me, and Assault Melee is already ignited to oblivion. So just on this, yep, I won't actually, so it's better off me doing that than buffing Bone. Because since I do that, he can't hit my bomb anyway. I'll attack Assault Melee once. Assault Melee without draw is weird. Do I just say fucking get Bond's ultimate and attack Assault Melee twice? I can't move cards. This is gonna be annoying. Alright, I'll just kill him. Because Melee can't get his ultimate either because of the commandment. So I'll just do that, cleanse it, attack with Bone. Yeah, it's like you don't get fucking Mon speed, man. You don't get any Yeah, you didn't really think this through, did you? You can't really do anything if I, kill Meliodas. And the entire point of Meliodas is, his ultimate. It's like he's a really good DPS without. Alright, but he's a really good DPS without it. But like, come on. The main reason you use Meliodas is because of his ultimate. Like, there's no, like... Actually, what is your Melee's ult level? Like, bro! It's like, what's the point in using Meliodas if you're not gonna get his ultimate? Mon Speed's cucking you more than he's cucking me. And Darius down. I'm pretty sure that's ranged as well, so... Yeah, I think that's ranged, so it did less damage than it should have. Ooh. I want to use that. If I can kill Mon Speed first, yeah, I'm gonna cleanse. You're not having a good time, are you, Mon Speed? That deletes a card on level 2, doesn't it? Yeah, I think level 2 of that removes a note gauge and deletes a card. It's fine. So can I get note gauge like this? I can! So I'm just gonna cleanse and do that. Alright, cool. This was an annoying match. Bon kills everybody, even with his few buffs. Don't quit. I want to see the ult. Don't quit. This is so sad. Poor Assault Melee. Oh, okay. Sorry. Alright, cool. Don't leave. Ooh, I don't have Bond thing anymore. It's like there's literally just... Eastin is kind of really good for this. Because ignites don't really mean anything, you just cleanse them. Bonk. What the fuck? That was cool! What? I've never seen that happen before. What was that? That was really cool. Alright, next match. By the way, I should get into a game in the next like couple. Yeah. By the way, I tried to record that intro like 4 times, but just kept getting interrupted. Once by the cat meowing really loudly. Once by somebody calling my phone. Once by Ellie. Oh! Oh! Wait a minute. Wait, that's really smart. What the? Wait. Oh shit. Oh, that was unnecessary, but okay. Double rank up. Oh, if she uses. Wait, Ellie Hawk is perfect for this. What the hell? How much HP does Bond have? So I don't know if anybody knows this because 600k. What the fuck? Okay, so I don't know if anybody knows this, but the reason why I should have cleansed that. It's fine. But the reason why Blue Ellie Hawk is so good for this is for each debuff on herself, she increases her allies' HP. And without Bond having any buffs, or any like blue buffs or his passive gray buffs, he has 600k HP. Okay, that's fine. It's like, that's not fine at all. Oh, fuck! Bond's dead! Oh, no, alright, we're good. By the way, that's an amplify. Fuck! That's an amplify card, by the way. Okay, so Bond shouldn't have 600k health anymore. 300, yep. My guy! Chill! It's like... yeah, might as well. I want to cleanse, but it doesn't matter. Just move that card. Those are resistance buffs, by the way. So, yeah. I was about to say, I might not even do damage to her. She has too much resistance. Wow, Blue Ellie Hawk, huh? That's really smart. I never even thought about that. Ooh, he's about to rank up Bond, isn't he? And that's fine. Because his Bond only has 300k health. So I'm guessing he has like Griamore in the back then? Oh, that's not good. I'm pretty sure I still win this though. But my god, that scared me. It's like whoa! Calm down! Jeez, the fuck, man? I really want to cleanse this. Like, I really want to. I'm not gonna. Alright, Bond's going to full heal from this ultimate. I wonder how much damage he's going to hit Ellie Hawk for. Because type disadvantage plus the, like, fucking 10 resistance thing. 300k. 300k. She killed. Or she's dead. Bond killed. Like, my god, man. That's really good. I might have to 90 Ellie Hawk. I thought my next video would be on Red Esterosa because of his debuff, but because of his debuff based passive, but nah, Ellie Hawk, man. Damn, next match. So is Ellie Hawk gonna be the new meta for this? Like, this rule? Because like I thought Kia would be. But like, you're able to give Bond 600k HP without him needing to do anything. It's another one! What the fuck? Oh my god! It's a different person uses the same team, huh? Let me guess. You'd be smart to just rank up one of them each, or just rank up Ellie Hawk. Yeah. It's like, I don't get why that one person double ranked up Ellie Hawk. You can only have 9 buffs, or 9 debuffs. How much health does Spawn have? Oh, fuck. It's like, if that's the case, then Green Escanor might really be the meta. Just for move, or no, because it's debuffs, not buffs. Never mind, that was stupid. 500k. Oh, your Bond sucks. I mean. Alright. Yeah, I need health. I'm not gonna survive this if I don't have health. So the thing is, it would be way better for me if he used a blue card, one of Ellie Hawk's blue cards, to turn all of those debuffs into resistance buffs. Ah, there we go. Oh my god. Do it. Do it. Like, my god. Oh my god, Bond's about to have a field day. What? I don't think... I think he knows the base, like, rule for this team. But I don't think he really knows how to use it, you know? Because when it comes down to it, you just gave Bond more damage. Like, yeah, Ellie Hawk's down. Ellie Hawk is not down, I may have lied. Ooh, that's a lot of health. He can't kill Bond, he can't do anything to stop Bond from ulting. I'm pretty sure I won this, and even if it gets Bond's ultimate, I remove it with Eastin. That's another good thing about Eastin. I just said her name, I don't know how I forgot it already. Is this pad... Oh my. Oh! Fuck! Bond is full health. My god! He almost one-shot my Bond! What the fuck? Bonk. My god! This Ellie Hawk team is dangerous, man. Eastin is clearly superior, though. Alright, I'm back after a little bit. Took a little break. Played the game just a little bit. Hopefully the Ellie Hawk team's that the... What? What was that background? Okay, cool. But I bought one more thing for one more match. Classic thing with 2 taunts for some reason. Assault Melee is not gonna have a good time. He's just not. I'll attack him once because he doesn't have a draw. He only gets 1 buff. Chandler, huh? So pretty much I can't attack, or I can attack Derriere as much as I want, actually. Ooh, he's getting Melee's ultimate. You think I care about that taunt? You think that taunt scares me? Joke's on you, buddy old pal. Fuck your taunt. Pretty sure Melee dies. I think Melee's actually dead. Ah, so close. Pretty much. I like how all of the, like, before with the teams when Assault Melee first came out, like, oh, don't attack Assault Melee, you'll just lose. But nowadays, it's just fuck Assault Melee. He just dies. You you little meat, you removing my buffs and all. Can't believe you do such a thing, but you fucking did it. Oh, you fucking did it. I don't care about these debuffs. It's like, it doesn't matter. Melee's dead, so the team is over. Oh, Melee and Chandler are dead. Oh, for Assault Melee team, you falling from grace. Alright. It was fun. The Eastin Cosmetic is really cool. It's like, again, purple and black are one of my, like, it's one of my favorite color combinations. But I'll just add a clip of her ultimate animation and a few of her other animations and the one thing. What is this? Why? Okay. In the background. Or, yeah, after the end of the video. Peace.
リューショントリステフィン